How to buy a house with zero down payment. The traditional route of buying a house requires substantial down payment, which can be a major obstacle for many aspiring homeowners. One of the solutions is to explore government-backed programs such as like VA, USDA, or FHA loans, which offer zero or low down payment options. Another option is to negotiate with the seller for seller financing down payment, or look into down payment assistance programs. Start exploring your options for zero down payment and home buying today. Contact your local lender and research government-backed programs and seek out down payment assistance resources in your area. With little effort, you can make your dreams of home ownership a reality. If you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow. And join my live on TikTok on Thursday and Friday around 8 p.m. Central Time. And thank you for watching. See you next time.